everyone. Well, I'm glad you dropped in. We have a very quick, wonderful dessert today. And you know that my lemon is my choice, so it's lemon. And it's got 3 ingredients. Eagle brand milk, lemon, a can of lemonade, and whipped cream, which we'll use in a minute. I got it in the refrigerator. And their Eagle brand milk. Of course, I see Eagle brand on everything anymore. Stir them up together. I love this as a whisk, by the way. Whipped cream. I can't wait. I'm taking this to a party tomorrow. I can't wait to taste it myself. I think I'll do this one so it won't. I love lemon pie. I love lemon icing. I love lemon cake. I love. I'm just a lemon lover. I always have lemons in my refrigerator. Look, even smells good. I'm using just a over-the-counter crust. It's just graham cracker crust. And that, my dear, is your pie crust. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it in the freezer for about an hour. And then we'll be right back. Well, the pie's out. Let me see how. It's not real firm. Maybe I should have left it a little while longer. Oh my goodness, that is good. Well, it's not as firm as it should be, but I'll put it back. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Oh, it's not like an ice cream pie. I do not like ice cream pies. I won't even eat them. That's just firm. Got that tart taste to it, sweet taste. Terrific. Terrific. Try it. Wouldn't take you but a minute. See you soon. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon.